Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into Concrete 101, helping you pick the perfect mix for your construction needs. Whether you're planning a new driveway, a patio, or even a high-rise, choosing the right concrete is crucial. So let's break it down. First up, what is concrete? It's a mix of cement, water, and aggregates like sand and gravel. This combination makes it super versatile for all kinds of projects. Now, let's talk about the different types of concrete. There's Portland cement, the most common type used in construction. Then we have ready-mix, which is pre-mixed and delivered to your site. Super convenient, right? And lightweight concrete, which is used when you need something less dense but still strong. So, what's the difference between structural and non-structural concrete? Structural concrete is designed to carry loads and support structures. Think of foundations, beams, and columns. Non-structural concrete, on the other hand, is used for things like pathways and decorative elements, where load-bearing isn't a concern. Understanding concrete properties is key to making the right choice. Compressive strength is all about how much weight the concrete can bear. Workability measures how easy it is to pour and shape. And durability. That's how long your concrete will last under various conditions. So, how do you choose the right concrete for your project? For residential projects like driveways, patios, and walkways, you'll want a mix that's easy to work with and durable. For commercial projects like high-rises, parking garages, and roads, you need something with high compressive strength. Specialized uses, like swimming pools and water tanks, require concrete that's not only strong, but also water-resistant. Key factors to consider include your budget. Different types of concrete vary in cost. Your project requirements. Think about load-bearing capacity, aesthetics, and environmental conditions. And don't forget local regulations. Building codes and material specifications can impact your choice. Now, some tips for ordering and pouring concrete. First, calculate the volume you need accurately to avoid shortages or wastage. Prepare your site with a solid sub-base, formwork, and reinforcement. And when it comes to pouring, timing is everything. Make sure you cure and finish the concrete properly to ensure it lasts. There you have it, a quick guide to choosing the best concrete for your project. Remember, the right mix will save you time, money, and ensure your project stands the test of time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching and happy building!